Hi. Today I came here to Kowloon City Park to have a little training. As you can see, it's a very nice area. Many people come here to train or to relax, to have some self-time. And this is basically in the middle of Kowloon City, which is full of modern and also old buildings and skyscrapers and estates. Actually, it's a small little piece of green and calm here in this very busy area. And this is a history, because before here was the walled city. If you have seen the Bloodsport movie with Jean-Claude Van Damme, which is one of my all-time favorites, and influenced me also to do martial arts, then many scenes were shot here. And the walled city is famous, or was infamous, about giving place to tongs, to gang members who were hiding here. The funny thing is that the Mokun, the headquarters of Chow Gar is very close, basically 2 minutes walk. And my sifu told me the story. When he was a kid, he came here and tried to look around. You could go in, but it was very difficult to come out. If you have seen ever the slums in India or in South America and Brazil, places like that, the walled city was something very similar. It was easy to enter, wasn't easy to come out. And that's why it was a very good hiding place for many gangsters and criminals. Even the Hong Kong police did not enter there. As I heard, for two reasons. One reason was quite dangerous to go in there. The second is that the place, interestingly, belonged to China, and they didn't allow official forces from Hong Kong that belonged at that time to Britain, Great Britain, to enter this place. But after a while, they would enter and they cleaned it up. Then a few years later, they decided to demolish the place. And actually, they did it, and then they created this park to remember what was here before. Now it's a very peaceful, beautiful garden. So this is the place where I came to train a little bit, and it was great. If you come anytime to Hong Kong, this is definitely one of the places you should visit, because it's very interesting. So if you want to come here, then you can come with MTR, or you can come by bus. They stop very nearby. If you use MTR and come here this way, then Sung Hong Toy Station is where you should drop off. And then you walk basically here through the roads, and you will see, if we will return, that Kowloon City Park is here.